Here we have taken 4 white bread slices. We will separate out the browns and whites of it. For filling, we have taken 1 small ball of frozen peas and corn, 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion, 1 green chili roughly chopped, and 1 boiled mashed potato. For coating, we have crushed cornflakes and all-purpose flour slurry. Now we will prepare the filling. For it, we have taken a wok. We will add in some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we will throw in the cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and little of sesame seeds. Once it's done, we will add our onion chopped, saute it well. After some time, we will add our chopped green chilies to it. Saute it well. Once it turns golden and mushy, we will add our frozen corns and peas to it. Give it a good mix. Lower the flame if you need. To it, just add a pinch of salt. Saute it again. After some time, we will add few masalas such as a pinch of turmeric powder, a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder, and a little of coriander powder. Mix it well. Once it's done, we will add our boiled mashed potatoes which we have prepared earlier. Mix it very well so that our filling is very well combined and easy to form a balls out of it. Earlier we have added just a pinch of salt, so now we will add the salt as per taste for the filling, a little bit of chaat masala and little bit of cumin powder. It is a roasted cumin powder. Saute it well, let it cook for some time. Once it's done, turn off the flame and let it cool for some time. Until then, we will prepare the rolls. For rolls, we will dip the breads into water and soak all the water out. We will take the filling and form a ball out of it, cylindrical ball, and place it inside the bread. We will try to form a cylindrical cutlet shape out of the bread. Don't go for the perfection. Similarly, we will prepare for rest of it. Once it's completely done, we will do the coating. Firstly, we will dip it into the slurry and then coat it with the crushed cornflakes. Take the bread roll, dip it into the slurry and coat it very well and gently with the crushed cornflakes. Let the cornflakes coat very well because all the crunch while eating comes out of it. Similarly, we will prepare all the rest of the bread balls. For fry, we have taken a wok. We have heated up the oil in advance and we will fry our rolls until they are crisp and golden brown. We will keep flipping it so that they don't get burned and it gets a good golden color. Keep on flipping till it gets good golden color. Similarly, we will prepare rest of our bread balls. Once it's done, we will serve it with our freshly prepared mint and coriander green chutney with a side of tomato ketchup. And here it's ready. Enjoy it hot.